Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something that has installed on Windows 10 that some people have noticed. I had one comment about it, and I had not even noticed that it was on mine. And of course, started looking at what it is, and it's interesting. Microsoft has pushed an update on Windows 10. Some of you might have had it with Patch Tuesday, actually. And if you go into your Windows updates and check your history, update and security, and then look at your update history, you might notice that what was pushed was KB5001716. And you see it here. This is on mine. It installed on October 5th. Some have reported it installed around the beginning of the month. The comment I had was it was installed on the same day that he had the cumulative update for the Patch Tuesday on October 10th. What is it? It's a update that is kind of interesting. It adds to the Windows user interface the capability to check that every component and everything is up to date. And if something is not, it's going to tell you this or that component is not up to date. You should go and update it. Go to Windows Update. If your Windows Update stops working or has issues, it will also notify you that something's wrong with the Windows Update. And apparently this is to make sure that your Windows 10 operating system keeps up to date and keeps all the most updated features that can be pushed until it reaches end of support in October 2025. So it is kind of interesting to see that they've pushed this, which kind of makes sure that your Windows 10 is, at the latest, greatest version, if you want. What is also interesting is they pushed it to older versions of Windows 10 that are pretty much already end of support. And so they pushed it to Windows 10 version 2004, 20H2, 21H1, 21H2. And apparently this is to make sure that it's going to check and force you to move to 22H2 because that's where you should be. I don't know if it's because Microsoft seems to say that, maybe a lot of people are using older versions and are not up to date to 22H2, which is where you should be with Windows 10. But anyways, kind of interesting. So, okay, little update that apparently makes sure that everything's all right and that you are at the latest, greatest versions of everything, the components, apps, and the Windows updates itself. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.